Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is a great day to build a PC, to flip of course. I used an app called Mercari, everything local. I couldn't really get any good local deals, so I used an app called Mercari. I was able to get this CPU, motherboard, and RAM combo for I think around $135, but of course I had to pay for shipping and for sales tax, so it came out to $150, but still got a good deal for this. So in this bundle came with an i7 4790K, a Gigabyte Z97 motherboard, and four 4GB RAM sticks, so a total of 16 gigabytes, which is perfect for gaming. Only downfall is that it didn't come with a CPU cooler, but I got a nice Cooler Master i71C CPU cooler with RGB lights for around $35 on Amazon. I also picked up a Kingston 250 gigabyte NVMe M.2. Now the best deal out of this whole package, I picked this up locally, but I got a GTX 1650 Super for $80. I mean, I think this GPU still right now on eBay, if you're looking for it used, is probably $200. Now to power everything, I got this Thermaltake 550 watt power supply. I got this on Amazon also for, I think it was like $40. Now I just want to say my ring light just broke. I think it was the wall piece I was using. It was really hot. I don't think it was the ring light itself, but if you can look up top, in the inside up top, I don't know if it'll focus. It's all black inside. But anyways, let's get back to the build. Now let's get our RAM sticks installed. It only goes one way, of course, if you watch my other videos. Now let's get our CPU cooler installed. I didn't apply any thermal paste because, as you can see, it comes with it pre-applied. If you're wondering how to tighten these down, if you watched my last video, I explained how to do it. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. So this case originally came with 3 RBG fans in the front and 1 in the back. I didn't really like the color. I didn't like the fact that you couldn't control anything on them. So I bought a pack of 6 on Amazon that came with its own module and its own controller. So that way you can have full customizability to your liking. Now that we got the motherboard in, let's get this all wired up and finished up. Alright guys, moment of truth. Got the power cord on, HDMI, got the Windows 10 ready. Pop this in, make sure it's on this time. And there she is. Nice, look at that. Here's the control for the fans. You can do solid colors on it. I like the auto better. Look at that. You can do the I guess change the brightness on it, fan speed, color speed, color pattern. You can make it pulse. Oh, it came out better than I thought. Windows right up. Gotta get that installed. It's exactly what you want to see. So here's a list of the parts that I use and the prices. If you're looking to build something like this, the only difference is the motherboard, CPU, and RAM, because I got that as a bundle, of course, and GPU. But if you shop around local, I'm sure you can find something pretty similar to this price point. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Leave some feedback in the comments. Let me know what you like or what you don't like. If you're looking to build something like this, you know, leave some comments. I can help you out. And of course, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.